Need to change your phone number on the Dasher app? It's a straightforward process designed with security in mind. As of late 2025, DoorDash uses your phone number as a primary way to verify your identity, protecting your earnings and account. To update, go to Account, then Profile, and select Edit Phone Number. Enter your new number, and the app will send a one-time password OTP to verify it. You'll need to enter this code within 10 minutes to confirm the change. This ensures only you can access your account. With recent app updates, this process usually takes under 5 minutes. If you are having trouble, you may need to make sure your app is updated to version 3.112 plus. What if you don't receive the OTP? First, double-check that you entered the correct phone number. If the issue persists, there might be a temporary problem with SMS delivery. DoorDash uses carriers like Twilio to ensure reliability, but occasional glitches can happen. If SMS fails, contact DoorDash support or try again later, as they've implemented patches to improve OTP delivery rates. For added security, consider enabling biometric confirmation, fingerprint, or facial recognition within the app. Also, be aware of potential scams like SIM swapping. In the future, verification methods will include blockchain to ensure an immutable record.